Hi everyone! So I went to Forever 21 today to pick up an order, an online order, and I got this pink jacket hoodie, and I also got this jacket, and I'm so excited. And I am so excited because I love hot Cheetos. Even before Forever 21 had a collection of Cheetos, I already had some merch of Cheetos, but it's not authentic. It's not the official. So I'm glad Forever 21 got this collection because it's so fun and it's totally my style. And so when I was picking this up, I passed by some other items, which was not expected, and I am so happy to test these goodies out. So I have here hot Cheetos makeup. I am so excited. So they have these CHEETOS xxtra Flamin hot lip gloss set, and this one is $12.99. They have this extra Flamin hot highlighter bronzer, and also these CHEETOS Flamin hot Eyeshadow Palette, which is $15.99. And it says it's by CHEETOS Flamin hot and Riley Rose. I don't really know where else they sell Riley Rose but Forever 21, so I'm guessing it's the makeup line for Forever 21, and I am so excited to try these out. These are the only 3 CHEETOS makeup I found there. I don't know if there's more, but I've searched online and they don't have this anywhere else but that store. If you want to know how this will be like, then keep on watching. So first thing is I'm gonna get rid of all of these hairs. I'm just gonna put it back like that because whenever I tie it with scrunchie, I always get a crease on my hair. Okay, so first I want to try this highlighter bronzer. Ooh, so it has a mirror and it has this protective film. Looks so pretty, and they're so bright. Just look at those colors, they're pretty. So you can either mix everything or use it one by one. You can also use it as eyeshadows, but they're all very shimmery. I'm gonna be swatching each color and then I'm gonna swatch all the colors together. I'm gonna start from the top to the bottom. They don't have names, so I'm just gonna be showing it to you one by one. Wow, I really love the colors, and I can tell you that they're very warm. I don't think it'll be good for my skin tone. I think it'll work better on darker skin tone based on the swatches. I'm gonna be putting all of these blended together on my cheekbones. Oh gosh, this is really dark. Yeah, why do you call it a highlighter? Yeah, it's definitely for darker skin tones. So I don't really like shiny bronzers, so I'm not even gonna use it as a bronzer. Maybe as a blush. Let me try that. Okay. Yeah, for me, I feel like it's more like a blush because it's very orange. It's very warm and it's too dark as a highlighter, and it's too shimmery as a bronzer. But actually I want to try this yellow shade. Maybe that'll work as a highlighter. Yeah, it's a little weird as a highlighter, but as a blush it looks nice. It looks decent. Yeah, I really like that color for a blush. It's looking a little bit crazy over here, so I'm gonna try to fix that. Ooh, that's very pigmented. I'm loving it. So you have to be careful because a little bit goes a long way. Yeah, as you can tell, I need to blend that out. Okay, now that everything is toned down a little, I'm gonna move on with the eyeshadow palette. And this is really pretty, you guys. All the packaging is actually very pretty. It kind of reminds me of ColourPop eyeshadow palettes. This is how it looks like. It also has a mirror and also this clear plastic thing, and the colors are very pretty. It has 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. This yellow and blue one looks like those Huda Beauty eyeshadows that are very chunky, but based on how it looks like, it looks very pretty. It doesn't have any eyeshadow names, but I love the colors because it has yellow, orange, and red. The red is not that bright of a red. It's more like a muted red, but the colors though are so pretty. I think that it can be a wearable palette. I feel like warm tone shadows can go with a lot of things. Okay, so now onto the swatches. Okay, so the red one is very velvety and smooth. I love the feeling of this eyeshadow. It feels like it's very expensive. I also like the pigment for the red one. It's very pigmented. The orange one, it was okay. It has some pigment, but it needs 2 swatches before the color is vibrant, but I actually like that because orange, I would usually use it for blending. Now the yellow one is a little bit chalky. I wish it was brighter. How I swatched it, kind of crumbly as well. But the metallics though, I was so impressed with this gold color. It was beautiful. The black one was very pigmented as well. All these 3 metallic shades were very pigmented. I loved this yellow gold though. That is my favorite out of all of these colors. But now let's see how it applies on the eyes, because it is different when you swatch it and also when you have it, when you apply it on. I don't have any primer on my eyes, so you will get to see how it really performs. The only thing I have on is my foundation. But yeah, let's get on with the application of these shadows. Wow. Just wow. Even though the yellow didn't swatch good, it works so amazing on my eyes. That was just one application on each eyelid and it blended so beautifully. These eyeshadows seriously blends so well. Alright, so I'm gonna be putting on my eyeliner and also just a mascara because it's already nighttime and I'm gonna go to bed after this video. So I will be right back. Okay, so now that we're done with the eyeshadows, I will be trying out this CHEETOS xxtra Flamin Hot lip gloss set. So it looks like all of these don't have any names on them too. This one is a very warm red, warm brown shade, and also this orange with gold specks of glitter. It's kind of iridescent actually. It can turn yellow gold in some lights, and in some lights it's also pinkish. It looks super sleek in the packaging. It's like, reminds me of Stila. I just wish that it has like flaming hot Cheetos, or you know, like flames all over it, because it's just black. They didn't really put that much effort in this one, I guess because it's easier to print it on, because this is just like the cardboard, but it's very sturdy. It has good quality. Now let's get on with the swatches. Wow, you guys, this is so pigmented. I am so amazed. Wow, this is the bomb. Just look at that. What? Look at that. These are both just one swipe each. I feel like this orange one will be sheer, but let's see, because it looks like it's more on the shimmer side. Yeah, this one is definitely sheer, but the glitters though, it's gold and also pink. They're like iridescent glitters. You can top it off with any color. Wow, you guys, I didn't know that Forever 21 has such amazing makeup. I'm gonna start with this lighter color. It has a weird taste. I don't like it. I don't like the taste of this. Usually lip gloss will have like just no taste or something sweet, so it's weird. I'm gonna be wearing the orange one, the sheer one. Now onto the review. So the highlighter bronzer, it looks so fun. It looks like one of those Wet n Wild highlighters. Those highlighters that have some strips of different colors, like the rainbow one. For me, this didn't work as a highlighter or a bronzer, but it did work as a blush. It's a really pretty orangey shimmery highlighter. I liked it. It has a really good quality, although if I was gonna be purchasing this as a highlighter or a bronzer, then I would be disappointed. But because it's such an amazing packaging, I love it so much. Definitely keep this. It still has a good quality. Now the eyeshadows, I am in love. It is really good, you guys. I was so shocked. Based on my first swatches, I was kind of disappointed with the yellow and orange, but right after using it, I was so impressed. It blended out super well. It was very pigmented. The texture of it is amazing, and it was just so easy to use. I love the packaging. I love that it has a mirror on it, and I love the colors so much. This gold one has glitters on it, so I like this yellow gold eyeshadow more as an eyeshadow topper because it's kind of like glitters, tiny specks of glitters. This black and brown, it worked really good too. I have no complaints about this palette. Seriously, it's amazing. You gotta have this in your collection, especially since it's Cheetos. It's just the best thing in the world. Now for the lip glosses, I was happy with the lip glosses. It was very pigmented. It is not sticky. I just don't like the packaging. I wish they could have added more Cheetos on the packaging, because once you throw the cardboard away, then you wouldn't know that it's from a Cheetos collection. Also, it has a weird taste. If I were to choose one item here, I would definitely recommend this one. So yeah, that was it for this video. I'm gonna go already, and I'm gonna go eat my snacks because I am getting hungry. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to click like and also subscribe if you haven't yet, because I will be posting more interesting makeup, maybe shopping videos, maybe haul videos. I don't know what's next, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Look at this. Isn't this the cutest thing ever? I just wish they have some snacks in here.